Assalamu alaikum, el-asmar here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can start your own Muslim coaching or consulting business by following 5 very simple steps. Let's begin. Alright, step number 1 is we have to start by creating an offer. An offer is essentially going to be the service, the solution that you're going to provide to your clients or customers. So you want to think about who can you help and what can you help them with. Essentially, when it comes to creating an offer, you want to really rely on your past experiences. What are things that you've been through? What are challenges that you've overcome that other people could benefit from, that they could benefit from that experience, from that knowledge that you've gained through those challenges, right? So for example, let's say you went through an entire journey of losing weight and dieting and you tried so many different things and you finally found a great method that works for you, and now other people are coming to you because they want your help. They want to know how you did it, how you lost weight. Well, this could be a great idea for an offer, something that you could use to build a coaching business. Another example is you could refer to your knowledge, your expertise, essentially topics that you've studied in school or things that you know about and that you're really interested in. For example, if you're really interested in things like relationships, or you're really interested in topics that relate to mindset, that relate to psychology, that relate to health and wellness, right? Different topics that could possibly benefit others if it comes to sharing your knowledge and expertise, right? So you want to think, what could I offer? What can I come up with that I can use to provide a service to my clients to help them achieve a goal, to solve a problem, to provide them for a result? And if you can't really think of anything, that's where you want to think of, what am I passionate about? Right? What is something that I really like, that I'm really interested in, and what am I willing to learn, to practice, so that I can turn that into a coaching consulting business, right? For example, if you're super passionate about marketing, you're super passionate about sales, well, you can go and you can buy a few sales books, you can go through some sales training, you can go and do some marketing training, and then take that knowledge that you've acquired and build a business where you help clients with marketing, you help them with sales, you provide them with marketing services, right? So you want to think about, do I have something that I can offer, or can I learn? Am I passionate about something that I could possibly, acquire as a skill and then use that skill to turn that into a coaching or consulting business? Step number 2, once you have your offer, you want to think about your target audience. Who's going to be the clients that you're going to work with? And you want to be very specific with this, because as the old saying goes, if you're trying to help everyone, well, then you're going to help no one. You want to be really specific with who it is that you're going to target, who it is that you're going to market to, who it is that you're going to communicate with, who's going to benefit from your services. So for example, for myself, I have a marketing agency, and our target audience is health professionals, chiropractors, physiotherapists, nutritionists, podiatrists, all health professionals, and these are the only business owners, the only professionals that we work with when it comes to marketing. And the reason why we have a target audience is for a few things. Number 1 is that it really helps us charge higher prices. When you have a target audience, when you're clear on who it is that you work with, you specialize in a certain field, that allows you to really communicate more effectively, to become a professional at serving them, and to charge higher prices. We're professionals at helping health professionals with marketing, right? So by doing that, by really specializing in that field, we're able to charge them higher prices and deliver better results. And we know who we need to target when it comes to our marketing. We know who we need to talk to get new clients. So all these processes, they just become so much easier. So you want to think about, who is going to be your target audience? Who is your niche, right? Who are the people that are going to benefit the most from your offer, from your service? Right? You want to think, sure, everyone could benefit, but be specific. Who exactly would you love to work with? Who is going to get the biggest transformation? They're going to get the biggest results from working with you. Think about that and choose a target audience. Step number 3, once you have your offer, you have your target audience, you want to start connecting with potential clients. So you want to go and seek those potential clients out. You want to put your offer in front of them. You want to place your service in front of them so that they can see, oh wow, this person provides a solution for my problems, and they can get interested in your services and work with you. Now, how do you do this? Well, there's a few ways to do this. Of course, there's the paid methods that all the gurus preach, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Google ads, YouTube ads, all that great stuff. All of that is awesome, but it's not realistic for someone that's starting off. If you're just starting a business from scratch, then you're not gonna have the budget to pay for advertising, to pay for marketing, to pay for YouTube ads and Google ads. So what should you do in that case? Well, there's a free resource available to you right now that you can leverage to land clients for completely free. And that resource is social media. If you go on Facebook, if you go on Instagram, Twitter, all these platforms, you're gonna find a ton of people on there, and chances are your potential clients are on there as well. So you wanna think about, where do these clients hang out? Right? If I'm a nutrition expert, then I'm probably going to go and look in nutrition groups on Facebook to see if I can find some potential clients in there, connect with them, put my offer in front of them, and sell my services, right? If I'm someone that's maybe helping people with marketing and I work with health professionals, I'm going to go find those Facebook groups. I'm going to go look on Facebook for chiropractors, physiotherapists. I'm going to go look on Instagram for them, and I'm going to connect with them, and I'm going to be posting content, and I'm going to be sharing my expertise and really putting my offer in front of them to land clients. And this is a really great way to start off. If you have a small budget, if you don't have the money to spend on ads, it's really the best way to start off. Land your first few clients, get a bit of income, start generating some money from your business before you start to invest in advertising to scale that business. All right, step number 4, now that you're connecting with potential clients, how do you sell them your coaching or consulting services? Well, the best way to do that is by getting them on the phone. Really, the easiest way, you don't want to waste your time creating funnels, creating webinars, creating sales pages and websites. The easiest way, the most straightforward way, is to just get them on the phone and understand what are their problems, what are their challenges, what do they struggle with, and then provide them your solution, right? So for example, I'll use my marketing agency again. In our marketing agency, if I connect with a chiropractor and they're a potential client and they're interested in my services, they saw one of my posts, or maybe I sent them a little message and I'm like, hey, I offer marketing services, would you be interested? And they said yes, and I got them on the phone. I'm gonna ask them first, okay, so what is it that interests you about marketing? What are you struggling with, right? What is it that you want us to help you solve? And then once you understand that, then you can place your offer in front of them. You can say, all right, well, this is what I can do for you, our marketing services. I can help you set up your website. I can help you, set up Facebook ads or whatever it is that I offer. And this is how much it's going to cost. And the easiest way to do that is over the phone, because if ever they have objections, if ever, they have questions, you can answer them live, and they get to trust you. They get to know you. They get to like you much faster. So the easiest way is to really sell your services over the phone. Get these people on the phone and communicate with them, understand their challenges, understand their desires, their goals, understand what it is that they're looking for when it comes to working with you, and then position your offer as the solution. Let them know that your services is really going to be the answer that they're looking for to solve their problems. All right, step number 5, now you've sold your services, now you have a few clients, you're generating income, you want to keep your clients happy. So how do you do that? How do you serve your clients? How do you keep your clients happy? How do you get those awesome testimonials so you can really grow your business? Well, number 1 is you want to make sure that you're really communicating with your clients on a consistent basis. Understand their needs, understand what it is that they expect from working with you, what are their expectations, and deliver really the best possible quality of work that you can. And you really want to leverage online resources, okay? So you want to use, resources like email, online documents, Google Docs, Google Sheets, all of these awesome free resources, things like Zoom, to communicate with them and really just deliver your service in the easiest and best possible way. So for example, with our clients, everything we do is online, right? We work with clients all over the world, in the United States, in Asia, in Canada, in the UK, and all of our work is done by email, by getting them on Zoom calls, by setting everything up online. And so it really allows you to serve your clients and remain consistent no matter where they are in the world, and really keep them happy, get those testimonials coming so that you can share those testimonials, share those awesome results that you're getting from your clients and grow your Muslim coaching business or Muslim consulting business in the process, because that's the goal. So now you have my 5 simple steps to successfully grow your Muslim coaching or consulting business. And what I want to do is I want to invite you, if you enjoyed this video, I recently filmed a more in-depth training that's about 45 minutes where I really dive into detail in regards to this process. I really go deep into how to create your offer, how to get clients, how to pick your target audience, and all of these amazing topics to help you grow your business. This is a much longer training, so I couldn't post it on YouTube. So go ahead and check in the description below. I'm going to include a link to that training. You just go ahead and enter your email, sign up, and you'll get instant access, 45 minutes of pure golden content to help you in your journey. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, subscribe and like the video below, and make sure to let us know in the comments, what is it that you want to know next time? What is it that you want to learn in these videos? How can we help you grow your Muslim coaching or consulting business? Let us know in the comments, and I hope to see you on that 45-minute training. Trust me, it's gold. I'll see you there. It's also going to be in the description below. Assalamu alaikum.